Having financial acumen is very much essential to achieve success in your business. Myself, Raman Alagiya Manavalan, I have been running a consulting company called VRNC. We have been assisting various MSMEs of this cluster on sustainability initiatives for the past 12 years. We are organizing this BFA program, Building Financial Acumen program, in collaboration with Dr Anil Lamba of LAMCON.
I'm so happy to be in Tirupur once again in a short period of time for another session on finance management for entrepreneurs, business people, senior employees and managers.
Unfortunately, we always consider finance is not our job. We think finance is the job of the accountant and the chartered accountant. But our definition, or rather Dr. Lamba's definition of finance is anybody whose action adds to the bottom line or harms the bottom line is the finance person. Now, keeping this in mind, without reducing the importance of the accountants, our point is everybody's action adds to the bottom line.
It is an undisputed fact that the single biggest cause of business failures worldwide is financial mismanagement. Now one may wonder, why does that happen? Let's say your cause of getting into trouble was the quality of your product. Then what will you do? You'll strengthen that department. You'll figure out what is wrong. If you feel your weakness is marketing and sales, then you'll rectify that, or you'll get the best salespeople or the consultants. So how is it that the financial mismanagement related problems are so endemic and they continue to ail the biggest of organizations in the world? Now I have my theory over there. This is due to a number of misconceptions. First misconception is many people tend to confuse the subject of accountancy with finance. They feel, production department should be manned by the best production people, sales department should be headed by the best sales people, and therefore finance department, I've got these accountants. Folks, that is accountancy. Very little finance management happens in the so-called finance department. Much of what happens there is accountancy. And funnily, finance management or mismanagement is happening 24/7 in the actions of every individual within the company. More finance management happens outside the finance department than happens inside it. And this realization is not there. I am very happy to contribute whatever I can. Great pleasure to be here. I've met some excellent people. I'm thoroughly enjoying myself, and I look forward to a continued and long association with all of you.
With the knowledge we do it fully, I'm sure the company will be very healthy.
Especially the last part, fund flow statement, I think it was eye-opening.
Like, I don't see it in cash. But now I understand there's a simple statement called fund flow statement that explains, where the fund is and where it goes out. So such simple, naive questions are like answered,
This has given me a different dimension, like where all you can look into and how you can actually read it like a story.
Businessman அவசியமா தெரிஞ்சிருக்க வேண்டியது. அதெல்லாம் தெரியாமயே ப்ரொடக்ஷனு, அதில் எஃபிஷியன்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷனு, டெக்னாலஜி, நல்லா டெக்னாலஜிக்கல் ப்ராடக்டை கொடுக்குறோம் அப்படிங்கிறத வச்சுட்டு நாங்கள் பிஸ்னஸுக்கு வந்துட்டோம்.
Please join with us. Let's transform our cluster to be more vibrant and achieve our vision of 1 lakh crore.